So you know why most beginner fail when they are trying to start dropshipping online store? It's not because their idea is bad. It's about the like overcomplete the everything. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a professional Shopify store from scratch. So step by step. So by the end of the day, you will be able to know everything about the online store. So you will be able to ready everything to sales in 2025. So without further ado, let's move. So here's the what exactly I'm going to show you. First, I'm going to show you how you can sign up in Shopify account, and then after that, I will show you how you can customize your Shopify store without any code, and then also I'm going to show you how you can add product right away, and then also I will show you how to set up a payment method and shipping method for the customer, and finally I will give you a couple of pro tips that give you the beginner can use make their store looks like say $1 million brand. So without further ado, let's go into the step one. So first of all, guys, you're gonna sign up. So to sign up our store, first of all you have to just you need to come to the Shopify.com, and once you come to the Shopify.com, you have to click the start free trial. So first thing, so go. You don't need to overthink this. So Shopify gives you the free trial so that you can start everything before spending $1. So first of all, you have to enter your email. So as you can see, if I click on over here, so all you have to do just you need to wait for a couple of seconds to loading, and then as you can see previously I have an account, so that's why it's actually showing here. So you have to click the add account since you don't have any account. So from that you have to give your email. So once you give your email, then you have to give your password. Then you have to follow the next step. Pretty simple and straightforward. And after that, guys, once you log in, you have to come to the Shopify dashboard. So let me show you how the Shopify dashboard looks. So this is the Shopify dashboard. This is the control panel. So this Shopify the dashboard. So for here, so you will manage everything: product, design, and payment, and apps that run your store conversion machine. So think about that the concept of your online business. So first of all, as you can see, here's the everything about your store. As you can see, home order. So under the order, you can control your order. You can see all the order, and under the product you can add your new product, and then you will be able to delete your product. So right now I'm going to show you how you can add product. So if you have to come to add product, and once you come to the add product, as you can see that you have to follow the next step. So after that you have to click on collection, and as you can see you can delete collection, you can add collection from here, and then after the inventory you can actually control all the inventory, like how many product available for your store. So you can control from here, and then also under the customer you can see all the customer. Under the marketing you can actually control your marketing. Okay, so you will be able to see how much money you spend, and then how much sales you're getting, and you'll be able to run a campaign with your existing customer. And attribution, like you can separate the different audience, so different customer based on the how much money they spend to purchase your product. And discount, on the discount you can actually create a discount. So you have to click the create discount, and then after that you have to follow the buy X get Y, and then amount of discount. And then under the content, guys, you can actually upload your file. Like for example, you have a, like multiple image, so you can click the upload file, and after that you have to it will take to your computer file, and then you have to follow the next step. And under the menu you can create menu by clicking create menu, and then under the blog post you can create your blog post. Okay, so pretty simple and straightforward. And then after under the market, guys, as you can see market, you can add your like a 3 to 5 and unlimited market there you want to sell. And under the analytics you can see your live store performance, how much sellings, how much getting traffic, everything you'll be able to see here. Under the live view you can actually see the live how much sales you are getting, how much people actually visiting in your store. Okay, under the online store, and then you can actually control how many theme you are using, which theme you are using, and then you can customize from here. And under the apps, guys, from here you can install and delete any apps from here. Okay, so guys, here the step 3. Here the most beginners mess up this waste hour trying to design the perfect store. Don't do that, guys. Shopify themes are built for sales. Just pick one and match your brand vibes. And if you are selling fashion, go with the something clean. And if you are touching, go modern, and click the online store and theme. And then you can explore free and paid themes. So once you once you store looks professional, then you can actually moving forward. So first of all, you will, as you can see, this is the theme, and after that you will have to scroll down. As you can see, the busy theme store. So you can actually see a lot of thing, like as you can see. You can also filter like fashion theme, beauty theme, clothing theme, and then also you can filter clothing. Like for example, if I select the clothing, all the clothing theme will show front of me. And from here, guys, as you can see the paid, and you can see all the paid theme. And then if you click the free, and then you can see free clothing theme, guys, that's really amazing thing. So if you want, you can explore, guys. And then also catalog size, one product store. You can also select the one how many product you have, like you can control one product store. And then also features like age verified, and all this thing you can control from here. Color switcher, and then you can see color switcher theme. So we are gonna, so in this video we are gonna use this theme. So to use this theme, first of all you have to click the try demo, so it will upload in our store. So once this is uploaded in our store, you have to wait for a couple of seconds. So guys, it's time to customize our store. So you will see, you will be able to drag and drop editor. You don't need to be designer, add to logo and change the change color and edit text and arrange something, building logos, blog and pro tips. Keeps it clean and simple, and uncultured store kills sales. Okay, so this is the store. So I had this come, we have to find out because we have a lot of theme. So sometimes, so as you can see, I have a lot of theme. Okay, so let's delete couple of themes so that actually I can add new themes. So if you have a like more than 24 themes, so you cannot install any more themes. So that's why let's delete couple of theme so that I can actually add more theme. Okay, so it's pretty important. Okay, so let's do that. Shine theme. Okay guys, so let's remove the horizon theme because I have added this multiple time. Okay, well guys, so let's remove also the down theme. So let's try to add again so that actually we can add that. Okay, let's visit the online store and click on the free, and then the clothing, and then as you can see the flavor thing will come in front of us. As you can see all the free theme. Oh, we are actually filtered the paid, we have to filter the paid theme. Okay, so let's hide the paid theme, and from here we will choose the Arabic theme. Okay, let's click on over here, let's try demo, let's see one more time. So if you want, you can also view the demo as well. So that totally depend on you guys. So let's wait for a couple of seconds, and now you will see that it will be added in your store. So previously maybe I had a lot of themes, so that's why it's didn't add. So that's why as you can see this theme actually adding here. So it's time to customize our store. Pretty simple, you have to drag and drop. You don't need to be a designer, just add a logo and color change, all this thing you need to do that from here. So it will take sometimes, you don't have to spend thousands of hours. So just wait for a couple of seconds. So once it's actually making a lot of issue, just need to refresh a couple of times. I think after that that's gonna work. So as you can see this theme have been uploaded in my store. So I'm going to click on the publish. Let's click on the publish. So once this is done, it will be public here. So the, as you can see, so from here you have to customize from here. So let's click on the customize, and after that it will take to our store. And once I do that, as you can see this is the store. So from here all I have to do, you can add your own logo. So to add your logo, as you can see the select media. So as you can see we can add image and video, or a lot of things. So let's click on the select, and then let's select one of the banner. So suppose this is the banner, so let's select this one. So it will be upload here, and then we can control everything, like for example position, top, color, bottom. So from here, as you can see this is the image tag too. If you want, you can upload more image, so that's totally depend on you. And you can control the layout, like horizontal, vertical, all these things, the text direction also. So you can link up the product, and then also once you position, as you can see the top, you can control the text position, you can control the gap, you can control the width, full and page and appearance. You can control the color, black, white, red, all this thing. And then opacity color, you can also control the black, so the opacity color will be black. And then after that you will be able to see theme settings. Another theme setting, you can upload your own logo. So let's upload the logo. For example, this one my logo, and this is inverse logo. So whenever my someone in this whole, the inverse logo will come. Okay, so that's, and now we will add image with text. So first of all, let's select one of the image, and after that I will change the text. Get 50% discount, and I will link up with this specific product. If you want, you can link up with specific product. So let's go to the homepage. Okay guys, so it's automatically linked up. So it's time to change this one. So let's customize this one for a moment. So let's remove this one. We don't want to add any logo here. So you can control by clicking button, all this thing you can control. So let's come into over here. So this is automatically linked up. Okay, so once we come into over here, so let's remove this section because we don't need that. We will add another section. Let's click the add section, and from here we will add the banner. Okay, so if you hover over any section, and after that you will see the preview. Okay, so as you can see all the section actually showing here. Then after that you have to scroll down, feature collection, feature product, feature blog. So this way when you explore, then you will be able to see guys everything. Okay, so you will be able to identify which product is best for you, and that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna add this slideshow, and after that once I add this slideshow, I will make it at the very top. As you can see, let's keep it very top. Okay, it's been uploaded here, so I'm gonna add the image on the slideshow. Let's click on the slideshow, and as you can see the image section, so let's upload the one of the image. So right now I'm gonna create a banner. So to add the banner, so let's click on the Canva. So from here I will search the banner, so I will download one of the banner. So let's search the FAS banner. You can copy this, and then you can, and then all the fashionable banner will show front of you. So let's select one of them, and then you can actually download from here. Okay, so once you come into over here, let's click customize, and once you customize, then you'll be able to download this. Okay, so let's give the agency name, my agency name. By the way guys, this is an agency.com created by Boss. So if you're facing any website creation with Shopify, you can reach out to me on my website. Okay, pretty simple, pretty straightforward. So this is the Canva. So what I'm gonna do here, so I'm gonna click on over here, and then I'm gonna paste my agency name. Okay, and then I'm gonna download it, and then I'm gonna add my store. So if you want, you can add your own text, own logo, own this all thing. Okay, let's click the download. So let's go to the Shopify, this one. So let's click it done. So as you can see, I'm gonna update the price, like for example, $100, once you do that, let's click the CO color, and then you can click the red, like that, and then we'll be done. So guys, I hope you completely understand how you can add product. Okay, so guys, it's time to tell you how you can connect the payment method, and then after that I'm gonna give you some basic tips how you can customize your store. So let's go to the payment method first. Let's go to the settings, and after that, as you can see, the payment option. So once you come into over here, so first of all, It's very important. Payment method is very important. 99% making a lot of mistake. So let's make sure people actually pay you. So go to the settings. First of all, I already told you to go to settings, and then as you can see the payment, and connect the Shopify payment and PayPal and either works your country. Okay, so if as you can see, choose provider, and then also for okay, so guys, I hope you can understand how to connect. So if you want to connect this payment method, like for example, NDA payment, so click on over here and then follow the next step. It's pretty simple and pretty straightforward. So it's totally depend on your store owner tax. Okay, so right now it's time to tell you how you can set up the shipping method. Okay, so let's click the all product. So I want to set up shipping for all products. So let's click on the let's go to the bottom. So as you can see, we have a United States. So for the United States, I set up the for this Arizona area. So I set up the $50 shipping charge. But for example, I want to set up um, let's for example, I want the state name, for example, XYZ. Except for the XYZ, I want to search $40. So you can set up this. So once that, let's click the done. So it will be applied with the product. Let's click the save option. So it will be saved. So guys, I hope you completely understand how you can actually add setup. I hope you can set up payment method and set up the shipping. Okay. So it's time to give you some pro tips. So before you warm up, let me give you some 3 pro tips. So use the high quality image and the actually first impression for your customer, and add the trust page and reviews and build credibility and trust, and keep homepage focused and don't overload and with the text. Let's do production. Okay, so I want to show you how you can add the add to cart sticky card. I'm going to give you some apps name. So for the add to for the bundle creation, you can use pumper bundle, and for the like a drop shipping for the okay, I have a lot of for the drop shipping, you can use CG drop shipping, and for the add to cart you can click the snap card where, and then for the product option, for the variant option you can use APU product option. Okay, so that's very important. So and then for the sticky card you can use add sticky card. So that's pretty much it of our video. So I'm going to give you some customization tips. So once you actually set, first of all, before you customize, you need to set up a layout. So this way, say for example, so here you can connect your own on let's click image. So from here, as you can see here, you can upload here, you can connect your own collection. So let's click on the group, and from here you can actually control everything, and then you can link up the group with all the collection. You can click the all the specific all the product. So guys, that's totally depend on you. So if you come to the collection card, and then you will be able to see on image on below. So you can control the collection title. Guys, it's pretty long process. So if you want in details video, so you need to comment me. I will create a specific details video for you. So this way, just you can customize first of all add the image, and then after that you can actually click the text by clicking here. That's pretty much it of our video. So I'm gonna show you how you can add the video. So you can select a specific video, you can upload video, and then you can drag and drop. You can actually link up this external YouTube video. So let's go to the YouTube, and let's copy the one of the YouTube link, copy URL, and then also do that. Let's come to the Shopify again. After that, let's click on the external. Okay, that's done. So it will be uploaded here. Okay, so you can control the height and width and everything. You can control aspect ratio for Pico, so you can control like that. So you can control the landscape, the square, all these things you can control from here. Okay, I will give it the landscape. Okay, so landscape is good, and then from here I'm gonna add the collection. So guys, first of all you have to click the collection list, and once you click on the collection list, you can connect any collection you want. So for example, I want to connect all the collection, so just want to connect for 3 collection. Okay, so 3 collection will show here. So guys, this way you can add the collection. That's totally depend on you, then you can customize. Okay, so from here guys, I hope you understand how you can actually customize all this thing, how you can add product, how you can just this video just for not professional people, just give you some tips and how you can customize everything. So guys, that's pretty much it. So if you want to learn more, go to mnc.com, go to creativepage.com. There we are actually providing free Shopify store. You can claim a free Shopify store. So that's totally depend on you. Unfortunately, there is actually everything uploading here our website. So here actually working, submitting our website. That's why it's not showing here. So that's pretty much it. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel.